Hi, it's April 20th. We have a big week coming up, so I figured I'd do a video, tell you about some stuff. All right, so first, April 20th, we have office hours as usual via Zoom. There's also SI from 4 to 5 p.m. Your homework number 4 is due tonight, April 20th. It is via Blackboard. You will need to have a blank piece of paper, take a picture of it, or scan it and upload it. Okay, so start that early. You also, it's a good thing to know how to do that because quiz number 1 will be on Wednesday using Blackboard using the same technique. Okay, I'll go through that in a second. We'll also have SI on Wednesday, and homework number 5, which is due via Sapling, is due on Wednesday. On Friday, April 24th, there'll be a review using Zoom. I'll tell you more about that. There'll also be extra office hours from 4 to 5 p.m. Homework number 6 is due Friday. On Monday, April 27th, from 2:40 to 4 p.m. will be the test using Sapling. It is time restrictive. Okay, I'll talk more about that in a little bit. I also have extra office hours from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. In addition to this, you have pre-labs and lab reports that are due. I'm not including that because you are in contact with your instructor and should be doing this. Tutoring is also up here. Make sure you go if you want help. This is in addition to office hours with me or SI. It can help you. All right, April 22nd will be the quiz number 1. It's between 2:40 and 4 p.m. At 4 p.m., you're done, right? So don't start it at 3:50, start it early. There'll be 2 problems, internal energy calculation. This is from lesson 3, and specific heat capacity calculation is from lesson 2. And basically what you will do is the same thing you did for lesson 4, question 3. You have a blank sheet of paper, you'll work out the problem, a separate sheet per problem, put your name at the top, write legibly. If I can't find the answer, deduct points. Circle the answer and then scan or take a picture and upload it by 4 p.m. 4:05 p.m., too late, by 4 p.m. I will have Zoom on this date, but I'll only cover lessons 4 through 6, right? So not the quiz. So if you're done with the quiz and you have questions, let me know. There will also be SI on April 22nd. Okay, on April 24th, that's Friday, there will be a review via Zoom, normal Zoom code. It's between 2:40 and 4 p.m. You can watch it live and ask questions, but I'll also have it recorded. If you want, you can ask those questions or you can send me questions beforehand. Be specific. Don't say, I don't understand thermodynamics, or I don't understand Hess's law, because I'm going to cover that. Tell me, I don't understand in Hess's law why the sign changes. Something like that. The more specific, the better. I will also have extra Zoom office hours. These will just be like normal office hours from 4 to 5. Okay, on April 27th, that's Monday, there will be a test. The test will be from 2:40 to 4 p.m., but you will only get 1 hour and 10 minutes. So what that means is, if you start at 2:40, you get till 3:50. If you start at 3, you get to 4:10. If you start at 4, you get till 4:20. So at 4:20, you're done, right? So get there early, but you only get 70 minutes, an hour and 10 minutes. All right, there'll be 20 to 25 questions worth 2 to 4 points each. You should use a computer or tablet, not your phone. Get to a place with good internet. The final is open note and book, etc. So get everything ready. If you have a table, get it all ready so you can be doing stuff. There is a practice test on Sapling. Okay, so if you go to that practice test, which is on Sapling, by the way, I should go back, sorry. The quiz, it'll be at the top of Blackboard page. So you can see that quiz on April 22nd. All right, but the test will be on Sapling. You can see here, here's a practice test. It's going to be shorter, and it's basically a copy of lesson 1, but you can see how it works, right? So at it, you'll see all your questions. You can go through these in any order. You'll see a timer here. In this case, I gave you only 20 minutes. On the actual test, you'll have 1 hour, 10 minutes. All right, you can do the questions in any order. You can actually go back, right? So if you put down 22 and you're like, maybe that's not right, you can go back and do that. You should save as you go, right? You can save as many times as you want. In fact, it auto saves. Only at the end, once you're done, do you submit all questions, okay? If you run out of time, it'll submit them all. But what I would suggest is with 1 minute left or 30 seconds left, if you're just submit those questions. That makes sure you know it's fine. Okay. If you have questions, do the practice test. Figure out what happens because the test will be similar. Okay, just some tech support for the quiz and test, but mainly for the test. Computer is best. You want the strongest internet possible. A wired connection is better than a wireless connection. So if you have a desktop at home, that might be better. Update your browser, clear cookies. During it, you want to limit the windows open on your computer. You don't have 25. You may want to ask your brother or dad or whoever or mom to not play games during it. If you have issues, close and reopen the browser, right? You will still have time left, okay? Try a new browser, try a different computer if you have it, but really close and reopen browser. Sometimes it gets stuck, so just close it, reopen it. Hopefully that's fine. You can contact me via email, or I will be on Zoom, and you can ask me questions there. I can also ask chemistry questions. If you're having tech issues, probably just via email. Okay, so content-wise, it's lessons 1 through 6. So you can see, you can go back. One thing I've done is I've opened up copies of the old homework on Sapling. So you can look here and it says exam prep not graded. Notice I have lessons 1 through 3, 5 and 6 will be put up after those homeworks close. So you can go back, look at those. I also have study guides. You can go there. If you go right here to where it says Part 1 lesson worksheets and answer keys, there I have all those worksheets in one place so you can see them, and the answer keys. You should do the problem before looking at the answer. All right, there's also SI. There's my normal office hours. Email me if you want to have a question outside of this, or if you just want to set up a different Zoom time. Let me know. I can help you. I'm free on the weekend pretty much, so just let me know, and I can help, right? But I'm not going to set anything up. Just let me know. All right, there's also tutoring, and there's that review, like I said. All right, and like I said, during the test, I will be on Zoom if you have chemistry questions. All right, go ahead. Good luck. See you in office hours. See you during that review. Bye.